Good day guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for Vicidial and other open source application. Okay, so guys, for today's tutorial you will learn on how to install the Vicidial as your development or test server from your own desktop. So for today guys, because Vicibox they have new Vicibox ISO installer, this Vicibox version 11.0. So it comes with the following. So it's already OpenShift 15.5, kernel 5, and the best thing is they are using the bolt asterisk 16. So asterisk 16 is more stable than asterisk 13 and other asterisk as a lower version. Okay, so it's you they can produce more channel also than asterisk 13. So you will see this for if you run your server and less memory and CPU usage for asterisk. It's very smooth when you're using asterisk, and it comes with the following securities and other applications. So okay guys, so how to download the Vicibox ISO. So you, for your standard installation or single server installation or only one disk, so you can use the standard, just click this one and it will automatically download in your end. And for the MD RAID, you can click also this one. Or and also if you if the installer ISO is not available over here, so you can go to the download.vicidial.com, and then you can download all the ISO over here from the start, from the start to latest, and other applicable application or respiratory you want to install or additional. So to get your latest ISO over here, so just go to the BusyBox and then server. So you can get your ISO over here. So this is the ISO and the MD RAID ISO. So this one is a live OS installation for this one. Okay, so for now, we will try to install it on our laptop. Okay, we are using VMware Workstation Pro 17. So let's start to create our virtual machine. Okay, typical installation. Yes. Okay, so if you already downloaded the BusyBox ISO or not, if you not, you can continue. But if the ISO is already downloaded, you can go to the installation list, then browse and look your files. Where did you save your ISO installer? For me, I already downloaded, so I just is already here. Then open the next, and then select Linux and select OpenSU 64-bit. Next. So you can rename what you call this virtual machine. So I rename it Vicibox v11. Okay, next. Oh, it's already okay. I can put -1. Okay, 20 gig is enough. Let me check. Let me go back. So I need to get this one. Okay, next, then finish. Okay, so after you finish, okay, so after finish the setup, you need to configure the following. First, the memory. Okay, so you have some pop-up like this, so you need to adjust the memory. You can set to 2 gig for the default, because much better 2 gig, so that the installation and it will run smooth. processor, so much better go for 2 core. It means total virtual cores. Okay, and for here, no need to change the ISO. So from the network, you can use the NAT for now. So if you have extra, or you can use the custom, you can use this one if you have extra. If you have extra LAN cable, okay? Okay, so if you have extra LAN cable, you can use that application, okay? Okay, so for now we will use NAT as our default network for our virtual machine, because I don't have any extra or bridge network setup right now on my laptop, and also from the custom LAN, I don't have available local network installed on my laptop. It's only use our wireless router, so wireless network, so I will just not for now. Then okay, so after you configure that, you can now power on your virtual machine. So after power on, so you just need to use your arrow up and down. Okay, just click and arrow up and down and select install Vicibox version 11. Okay, so after that, you will see this pop-up on your screen. So this one is reminds you that this installation, they will destroy all the data from your disk you use on this server. So if you have important files on the disk that you are using right now, so you need to click no. But if not, you are aware that all the data that's saved on the disk you are using right now for the installation of the BusyBox is no use, or it's clean, so you can now enter for the yes. So it will go to the next step right now, and then after that, and now it's loading the raw file on your disk so that the installation will be done later. Okay, so while we're waiting, you need to wait. Okay, so you need to wait until this, but it will be fast if you have a good specs of server. So if you are use the Vicidial on your OPs, or much better you have a dedicated CPU or a small Dell server, tower server, at least 4 CPU cores. Okay. Okay, so that's our IP is 192.168.164.31. So I need to save that. Okay, so 192.168.131. Okay, later we will save it. Then root. For the default password is root. Oh my. My net, my keyboard is not working. Wait, let me double check the settings on the. Okay, let me check now. So still not working. Wait, I don't know why it's not working. Network sound. So I need to settings. My keyboard is not working. Let me add. I don't know why. Yeah, let me. Okay guys, so my keyboard is not working, so I will try to reset the VM for now. Okay, so let's check. Now it's working. Okay, so I just do restart because the keyboard is not responding on the VMware. So Okay, so the IP is 192. Okay, just go to the root, and Vicidial is the default. Okay, it's working now, and you will see this pop-up that welcoming you. Start system language English, keyboard layout US. From this one is just enter and then exit. You must agree and select your time zone. Time zone is very important, so you need to match this time zone to your server and the Apache. Okay, and then okay. For the password, type the password. Okay, and then you need to wait, and then you will start the basic setup. So from this VMware, so it's run on the DHCP. So we need once in your local network, you must ask your network administration that on your server, for your Vicidial server, request them to put or assign a static IP from the network side on the firewall or on your router, so that you don't need any configuration inside the Vicidial. It will work like it will work like uh, okay, so we must use this though. We must use this as so I need to copy this one, and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0 192.168.164.2. This is the gateway and the DNS and gateway subnet and IP address. So going to the YASLAN, so we need to set the static IP on our network. Enter, change to static, then 192.168.164.255.255.255.0. Then next, go to the host name for the DNS server is 192.168.164.2. Then Google DNS, and go to the routing. You need to add routing gateway 192.168.164.2. change this to internet, and then okay. Okay, so for this one you can check ifconfig, or you can ping the okay. So it seems it's working. Test to ping the Google, so it's working. And now we will start to start the installation, or you can check your time zone, time date control. So we are using America, New York. Okay, so ETD or EST. Okay, so clear, and then we are now using Cipher ref. Okay, so after that, Zypher up. Okay. And then yes. Yes. Okay, so after that, you need to reboot. Okay, so after that, you need to log in again, root, and the password you created. Okay, so let's check if we can able to ping the Google. So now if we can able, so we can now start the installation. So you we go to BusyBox Express. Okay, start. So it's on express mode. Yes. So once express, no need, just wait, and the installation will be done smoothly. Okay, so after that, you can reboot now the server. And then uh, check now. Okay, so So after that, you need to log in again to the password you created. You can check the screen if it's the screen running. Okay, you need to wait a few minutes. Okay, so 11 screen is enough, and then we can try to access the dialer on our web server 192.168.164.131. Okay, as you can see, I'm able to access on my own laptop. So this one is working on my own laptop right now because it's installed. So the default is 6666, password is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so you must go to the initial setup, password, you can do test for now, and okay, time zone is okay. So what the time zone we are using here, so time date control is -4 New York. Okay, so it's -5 -4 Eastern America, New York. Submit. So after that, you can log in now with your password you created, 1 2 3 4, and then this. Okay, so we have now successfully logged in on our server. So if you check here, so as you can see, once the server installed and you already changed, and you will get this permission to view this page, you must go to the user and click modify, and you need to enable or set all of this permission to 1. So the super admin all 1. Okay, phone permission. Okay, that's all, and then submit. And if you go back here, you can able to see the other option. So as you can see, also all the application from the asterisk, PHP time, and DB time are all synced together. It means this server are completely installed it successfully and without any issue. So right now we have successfully installed this, and I think I will cut this video for today. So we will continue for another chapter. So we will test the Vicibox 11, how it's stable, right, or if there is no bug on this version, and if it's really good to use for production. Okay guys, and once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic installation and configuration of Vicidial and other open source application, and hope you can enjoying this video, and don't forget to like and share. And if you did not yet a subscriber, you must click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. And also you can donate to my channel so that I can make a daily video, because if my channel give me higher income than my job, so I can quit to my job and transfer to creation of videos for types of application. Okay, so you can use it, and application is Vicidial is free. Only you need to feed your VoIP and add if you are hosting server, only that. But the software is free, and only that you will need to pay. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day again. See you on my next video. Bye bye.